What's up guys, this is Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra RINGKE Fusion X case unboxing and review. If you are looking for a clear case for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, this case got you covered. In this video we're gonna check out this awesome case and see what it is all about. Subscribe to the channel if you're still new here, turn on the bell notification for more content like this. This one right here is the RINGKE Fusion X case. It's a clear case with maximum protection for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now showing you the case, just look how beautiful this case looks. It's well designed. It's going to provide enough protection. The case is easy to fit the phone in. Now the phone is in and just look at this beauty guys. I think my camera and the lighting is not doing this case any justice. After putting the phone inside this case, I was sold. Pretty much this is one of the best cases you will find for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This case is going to be my daily case from now on. Now let's check out some awesome features of this case. The cutouts are wide enough that you can access the S Pen and the charging port easily. There is a raised lip to prevent the front screen from scratching. If you lay the phone flat on the table, it is not going to move. Now bringing you closer to the camera, look at that level of protection. The lip is high that it protects the camera from scratching. And there is this little black things on the back, just gives this case a nice look. If you have the green color and the burgundy, I think it is going to look great in this case. Now giving you a 360 view of the case just looks great. It's elegant, it's protective. I don't know if it's gonna attract dust, but we shall see. The case also works with wireless charging. More information in the description section if you want to check it out. Subscribe to the channel if you're still new here. Until then, we shall meet again in the next video. Peace out.